Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Cash App to buy Bitcoin and invest, detailed guide step by step clearly. To get started, open the App Store on your mobile device. If you're using an iPhone, go to the Apple App Store. For Android devices, head to the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Cash App and press enter. Locate the official Cash App by Square Incorporated. Tap on the install button to download the app. Once the app is finished downloading, open it by tapping open. When you launch the app for the first time, you'll need to enter your mobile number or email address. After entering your information, tap next to receive a confirmation code. Check your phone or email for the code, then enter it into the app. Follow the prompts to create a secure PIN for your Cash App account. Optionally, you may be asked to provide your full name and date of birth. Once your account is set up, you can add a bank account or debit card. Tap the Banking tab on the home screen. Select Link Bank and follow the on-screen instructions to connect your account. Next, you can add funds to your Cash App wallet. Tap Banking and then add cash to put money into your Cash App wallet. Once your funds are available, navigate back to the home screen. Look for the Investing tab, represented by a stock market icon. Tap on the Investing tab to access options for buying Bitcoin. Select Bitcoin from the list of investment options available. Follow the prompts to enter the amount of Bitcoin you wish to purchase. Before finalizing your purchase, review the transaction details. When ready, tap the Buy button to complete your Bitcoin purchase. After the purchase, you can view your Bitcoin balance in the Cash App wallet. To track your investment, regularly check the Investing section. Congratulations, you've successfully installed Cash App and purchased Bitcoin for investment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.